Hi, and welcome back to Blues Garden. This is my Christmas time special. I'm a lighting guy, and you can kind of see that in my Christmas decor. Outside the house, our dear friend Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I do LED lights on the shrubs around the house, and there you go, Roy G. Biv. On Christmas Eve, we head up to my wife's family, her nephew, his wife, and their two little ones. The nephew's wife and the two little ones came by on Cookie Day, so you might have seen them in the Cookie Day video. Um, we head up there and we exchange gifts with her side of the family. Well, the little ones and her brother and sister and her sister's kids. We exchange gifts on Christmas Eve up there. It's a great time. You can see all the girls having fun. Photo of my nephew and brother-in-law, my youngest daughter. My brother-in-law, sorry, my nephew made an amazing uh, smoked brisket. That's from Cookie Day. There are two little ones entertaining themselves. They're going crazy. They're dying to open presents, and they keep asking and asking and asking. And so we will get to opening presents soon enough. Back at my house on Christmas Day, the little cats having a grand old time with their presents. We had a lot of fun. Some of the haul I got, garden and cooking wise, I got a new 21 and a half quart canner. Lots of little supplies that came with it, little tools and implements. Here is the basket, the steamer basket that came with it. Like I said, there were a lot of little tools, some of which I've had and some of which I can't find anymore. So it was great that the accessories came with it. One thing that I have, but I can always use more of, is this dripless canning funnel. Tucks in and you end up with no drips on the edges. Jar lifter, that's the big thing I'm missing. Can't find it, driving me crazy. I've been using a pair of just tongs to grab them out. Another pair of tongs, always helpful. This is drove me crazy. I had no idea what it was, but apparently you use it to scrape the bubbles out, and also it has ridges on the top, which tells you how deep. If it says a quarter or an eighth inch or whatever. This is the lid tightener. It's great. It doesn't matter. I put a couple of silicone gloves on and tighten myself. And then also has a magnetic lid lifter for when you have, you're boiling off the lids and want to pull them out. It's just easier to do it this way. The basket goes in, and that is the canner. I also got a pair of heat mats, 10-inch by 20-inch heat mats. I use them underneath every single one of when I do seed starting. Those are great. Love them. Can always use more because I have so many trays I'm starting. Initially, there's probably only 2 trays I'm starting, 10 by 20 trays. But at some point, I've got 8 or 10 trays going at a time. And so this is great. Great for me. I also got some LED grow lights, Speed Plant, full spectrum, 5,000 Kelvin LED grow lights, a pair of those, and then a pair of this SZH Lux full spectrum. I use those. I think they're actually 6K, 6,000 Kelvin, but I might be wrong. That's the color temperature. That's not what heat temp it is. I have a bunch of those. I think I have 4 of those. Not shown, but I did get a little lemon squeezer, citrus squeezer. I go through so much. It's great.
Among other things, I got a lot of other presents too, obviously, and I gave a lot of presents out. One of the things that somebody in the family always gets me, and this year it was the kids got me, was another 12 pack of pint sized jars and another box of extra lids and rings for canning. And I always get some gift cards from M.I. Gardner. They came one from my sister in law and one from the family. It was in my stocking, so I mean, sorry, Santa gave it to me. But I do get other gifts that are non gardening related, but I didn't figure I'd go through all those. Anyway, from my family to yours, I hope you have a happy, healthy, and prosperous growing season coming up in 2025. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.